What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your PowerPoint presentation on Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Meet or you can type meet.google.com. Now after that, in the new tab, open your PowerPoint presentation. Now come back to Google Meet and then click on New Meeting. After clicking on New Meeting, I'll start an instant meeting to show you how you can share your PowerPoint presentation. Now, as you can see, I have started an instant meeting. Now, after coming here, uh, at the bottom, you can see this icon of share screen, this icon, and then click on this presentation PPTX, and then click on share. And as you can see, I am sharing my screen with my PowerPoint presentation open. From here, you can show your presentation by just clicking all your slides, and when you are done you can just simply close it by clicking on this share screen icon and then click on stop presenting. This will close the screen sharing, and this is how you can screen share your PowerPoint presentation on Google Meet. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.